truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now?
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I just came in now. I got in now, so I just finished making my detox water, which I filmed here. Today is a Tuesday. But guys, I have work to do. Today just feels like weekend for me because I didn't really do much this weekend because we were just out and about. I have meal prep to do today, not that much, but I have chicken breast to prep. I always like prepping my chicken breast because I love eating wrap, and I also love eating chicken sandwich. So I like to prep my chicken. That way I always have chicken, you know. I always have chicken on the go. Also going to be prepping salad. I don't have salad anymore. This is iceberg and also carrots. I don't even know what I'll be having at lunch. I did not take breakfast this morning. Some days I do skip breakfast. I know they say breakfast is the important meal of the day, or rather the most important meal of the day, but I do skip breakfast sometimes. I do skip breakfast sometimes. So guys, let's meal prep. I like cutting it small like so.
I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know.
So guys, I'm done cutting the salad. Yeah. And even the chicken, I'm done cutting the chicken, but it's in the fridge now. So I'll come back and finish up. Yeah, I also peeled the carrot already. Guys, I'm so hungry. That's why I'm taking this break. I want to eat first and I'll come back and finish up. Yeah, meanwhile, I'm going to be eating this delicious porridge. Yeah, I made this on Sunday night. Yeah, we went to a birthday party. When I came back, I had to cook because the house was like empty. The only food we had in the house was just chicken. So this is plantain and sweet potato porridge, guys. It's super delicious, super delicious. We had plantain. Oh my gosh. Here is my food.
I can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey.
So guys, this is the chicken. Yeah. Okay, let me show you guys what I marinated it. Like, I did not marinate it and put it in the fridge. I just put everything now, and I'm going to be stir frying it. Okay, I added this smoky barbecue and also paprika powder and also salt and liquid Maggi. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil. So that's it. I just stir it like that. I always love to have this in my fridge, guys. It's good for wrap, for your salad, for sandwich, name it. Maybe sometimes you want to make a quick meal for the kids, you just pop it out and you're good to go.
Something real, but somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired.
The chicken is cooking, so I don't really have much time. I have to go and put Nathan at let me just say, I'm supposed to leave the house by maybe 2:30 because I'm going to pick him up at 3 p.m. and now it's almost 2 o'clock. So guys, I bought this, just take a look at it. It's a salad topper. I bought this yesterday from Ashton. Yeah, I'm going to be trying it out with my salad. And it's 2 though, so I also bought this one. It's from Natural Happiness. They said salad topper Italian style. Okay, this one is not Italian. Okay, this one is paprika style. So my salad is here. So guys, this is how I cut it. I normally put it in plastic like this. I just put them in the fridge. And I will also show you guys how I preserve the color. So guys, our chicken is almost ready now. You can see there is a little juice inside. So I'm just going to allow it absorb everything. Like, I want to leave it for it to get dry, then it's ready. So this is how I normally prep my chicken breast, and just leave it. I will leave some in the fridge and some in the freezer. That's what I normally do. So in order to keep the carrot color, like you don't want it to go black, just have to put some lemon juice. And cover it, put it in your fridge. That way it's going to remain like this for a very long time. And I have about 2 plastic here. So guys, this is just for snacks or starter. Anyone you want, you can use it for starter, you can use it for snacks. We always snack on this though. I just put it in the fridge when we want to snack. Sometimes when my hubby is watching football in the evening, just pop it out and snack on it. So guys, this one is for salad. It's for salad. When it's remaining like this, I just eat it. I don't want to injure myself. I don't want to cut my hand though. Oopsie. So you can also preserve this with lemon. So guys, all that is left is my salad. Okay. I'm just going to be putting everything together. This is how I normally do it. I just put this in one corner and there's one in another corner.
While I was dancing on my own,
don't have the sweet corn, but this evening we are going to be having salad, so definitely we are going to be eating this, and just a little will be remaining. So guys, that's basically it. Guys, everything is ready now. Yeah, I have my chicken, I have my detox water, I have my salad, I have my carrots, and this is the remaining salad. So that's it guys, that's it. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to like, comment, share, all the good stuff.